Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to Empty Paradise's Cards and Collectibles. So today's video, as you can see, we got a couple Matchbox. I primarily do Hot Wheels on this channel, but Matchbox is technically still Mattel. It's all the same company. And they do have some really cool exclusives that come out. So I got both of these, and it's actually the Divco Milk Truck is like the technical name of the Diecast. So I went ahead and cut the tape on one of them. I'm going to open it up, and we're going to check it out together. Here's a little spoiler alert to what the design is going to be on this. But here we go. And you can obviously tell it's a Tootsie Roll theme. And so far this box looks absolutely amazing. And I don't remember how long ago this came out. But it's been a while. And even right here it says 2022 Mattel. And here it is middle of the way through 2023. But let's go ahead and actually let me show you guys the bottom of that in case you want to see it before I go ahead and pull the top off. But wow, that looks awesome. That is so cool looking. I do see that there are, it looks like it's on the inside, so maybe I can take off the, actually maybe it's on the outside. I don't know, there's like some like plastic scuffing there around that clear acrylic. I don't know if you can really see that. Kind of going across right there. But the milk truck looks absolutely amazing. Obviously that Tootsie Roll theme. And does have like rubber tires, kind of like a Hot Wheels RLC. And that's pretty much like what the equivalent of this is, but the Matchbox form. And I think this looks incredible. And I know before Hot Wheels did a kind of Tootsie Roll themed RLC car. And I thought it looked absolutely amazing. I actually wasn't collecting around that time it came out, so I wasn't able to pick one of those up. But this is actually a really cool car that I'm kind of excited to add to my collection. And they did recently come out with a kind of like the premium car with like the rubber tires, but it is like a golf livery theme, like the golf racing, golf oil. So this is kind of cool seeing like the same little milk truck, but Tootsie Roll themed. And then how the whole like package here is Tootsie Roll. And then it says Matchbox there on each end. But I really do like this. It's a really cool collector piece. And I love it. You can see the side doors are open. You can see right through. The back doors, they open up. So actually, now let me see if I can pop this off carefully. And then we can check out the car or the milk truck a little bit closer. There we go. Actually, it wasn't too bad. And there we go. Alright, so this looks, there we go, that's a lot better. You guys can see it a lot easier. But wow, that looks really cool. It's got that plain brown roof. But let's go ahead and pop open those back doors and check out inside. Let's see, it's probably going to be really firm. Oh, there we go. Looks like there's some like little milk crates laying down in there. I don't know if you can really see too well. Try to get them to stay open here. Usually like Hot Wheels RLC cars, like the opening pieces are really stiff. This is a little, not flimsy, but there you can kind of see like those milk crates there on the inside. But that's a pretty cool little milk truck. Like I really like this, and it's going to be kind of nice to add this to my collection. A little Tootsie Roll themed. And when I was a kid, Tootsie Rolls were one of my favorite candies. So this is kind of a little nostalgic for me. And I'm absolutely loving this. But also, did you guys pick up one of these whenever they came out? I don't even remember how long ago it's been since these did come out. I feel like it's been a very long time. But I honestly completely forgot about this. The other day I just was checking my email and I saw that there's an order that had been shipped. And I'm like, okay, that's interesting. I don't remember ordering anything. And then I clicked on it and it was the Tootsie Roll Matchbox Milk Truck. So a little unexpected. I completely forgot about it. It was sometime, I think in 2020. Well, yeah, 2022 according to like the little date on the box. But yeah, I absolutely love this. If you guys like this video, definitely go down, hit the like button down below. Because I do a lot of like kind of Hot Wheel opening stuff like this, but obviously with Matchbox as well. But I do a lot of other Hot Wheel case unboxings and a bunch of other exclusives and different sets. As you can see, I have a bunch of these Amazon black boxes. If you guys want to pick up one of those, there's going to be a link in the description down below. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.